Hi, this is Mimi Panyo once again. You'll be watching videos on Mimi's Cooking. Thank you so much. If you are new in this channel, please click subscribe and hit the bell button for your notification for upcoming new videos. Magluluto tayo ngayon ng chicken burrito. Ang ating mga ingredients is chicken fillet, tortilla bread, yellow and red pepper, tomato, lettuce, garlic, onion, mozzarella cheese, salt, black pepper, and oil. So we will start to heat the cooking pan, add oil, and then the onion. Follow the garlic. And the chicken. Stir it well until it cooks. Then cover it. Just cook in 5 or 10 minutes. Stir well again. Then add your yellow and red pepper. Mix it. Then add your tomato slice and let it cool for 10 or 15 minutes. After you cook chicken mixture, prepare your tortilla bread and put some chicken mixture and your mozzarella cheese, then your lettuce, then start wrap. Then the next is repeated all the mixture and the tortilla bread until finish. Then after that, you can heat in oven in just 5 or 8 minutes, or you can heat in a grill, electric grill. It depends on what you want. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy and hope you like it. Thank you.